free and says that you need more time, we have time. Great. So what we did right now, we wrote down the goals that we want to focus on. So after stepping out from this classroom, you will know some tools and you will learn a lot of tools. Not all of them will be useful though. Some of them will be useful for your specific situations and others are not. And let's actually talk about this. Later on, you will be able to apply those tools to your specific situation. Now, have you heard about filtering theory? Have you heard filtering theory in time management? Filtering, no. Let me write it down. Yeah. Filtering theory. So, 10 tools. This is something that is very important to know when you start to learn a little bit about time management. Maybe many of you had this, that you planned something, you planned your project, and at the end you planned maybe your whole year, but then it turns out that your planning was amazing, but you did nothing for it. So you screwed it up. It didn't work out. To whom happened this? That you planned something and it didn't work out. Yeah, this happens. This is how it is. But the thing is, important is not to get frustrated with this. It means that this specific tool, this planning thing, doesn't work for you. And then there are a lot of thousands of other tools that you can use to increase and boost your time management. So let me write here down. We are going to talk about 10. I will take 6 just for sake of simplicity. Tool number 1. Tool number 2. I had to prepare it actually before, otherwise we are losing time here. Not the best for time management. But this is how it is. You should be relaxed with all the things that you learn and you do, and you have to feel 5. And then we have, let me put here tool number 6. Now the thing is, we all are different personalities, we have different experiences in our lives, and we have our strengths and our weaknesses, right? So we have this personality filter, our strengths and our weaknesses, and I will put it here. Let me put columns here, like let's put it like here, one column, and let me put another one here. So I will put here, it's our personalities here, and let me even make it red, so then we can see it. Personality filter. And what we want actually to achieve today and throughout the life is that those tools that we are using, they come through our personality filter and then end up being in the column that works, that matches our personality. So, works. So let's say today we will talk a little bit about planning as well, and if you learn it and it works for you and you use it, then you're here, it will work for you. But for some of you, you already know how to plan, but it doesn't work for you. So then what happens, this tool is blocked, your personality blocks this. What I mean, it's coming here, and then your personality filter, your strengths, this is blocked here. So at the end, we end up that not all the tools will be good for you and for your specific situation. There are people who are very, very busy, who work and study at the same time. So the way you organize your time will be totally different from the person who is only studying or who has nothing to do and has a lot of free time. This is a problem as well. If you have nothing to do, you can still organize your time, but with different tools. So at the end, if today you will take only 2 time management tools and methods, this will be amazing. You will save a lot of time already, but you will not take 10 for sure. Please don't do it. It's not possible. Just pick 2 which will vibe with you and you will feel, I can do this. So the third one, it will not work out. It will be blocked here. And then the fourth, if this works for you, this is great. Then the other 2 for sure will be blocked here as well. So the main idea of this message is, of the filtering theory, is that we are different and we have our personality filters that will block some of the tools that will not work for you in your specific situation. That's why we have the goals.